Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set multi-window for pop-up view in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to advanced features. And go to multi-window. Here, turn on the button again, swipe for pop-up view. And click over it. You will see the instruction here. Swipe from the top corner towards the middle of the screen to change to pop-up view. Okay, so from the corner here, first touch, then swipe like this. See here. If you release, this screen will be very small like this. Okay, so this is pop-up screen. If you want to close it, click on this bar, and here you can click on this close symbol, or you can click this symbol, or if you click this, it will vanish. Okay, it will vanish now. Again I do it. I open this and at the corner touch and hold. No, it's not coming. It requires hard work. First time it came, but no. Still it is active, so it's not coming. Swipe. Now if you want to close it, click here and click on this close symbol. It is closed now. Closed. Okay, again I do it. It needs practice. Only notification open. Okay, do some more practice. It will surely come. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.